Legends of Learning presents the Fox Power Split game. This is a history game that makes learning about federalism fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, play different mini-games while reading interesting facts about how the American government is divided into different areas of power to help better govern the country. Learn more about how power is split into local, federal, and state areas. Use the mouse to click and drag and drop objects to complete mini-games that are similar to basketball and mini-golf. Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of history to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.